Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you a full body workout for volleyball players. So full body means that we're going to hit a little bit of abs, legs, and upper body. Okay, so first step is to, be in your athletic wear. I'm wearing a big t-shirt that I don't really care about anymore, some leggings, and my hair's up. So let's go. So this is gonna be no equipment because not everyone has access to like gym equipment or a gym. Now, I will say that it is imperative that you do work out in a gym eventually, not all the time, that's not what I'm saying, but this is a great workout to supplement when you do have access to a gym, whether that be a gym membership at school, your club, whatever it is. So let's get into it. So first, we're gonna start off with my favorite, legs. And I feel like legs, actually I'm not gonna say it's the most important just because it's my favorite, but it is very important if you want to be a good volleyball player. Stronger legs helps with a higher vertical, less injury, and also y'all, I feel like the top injuries for volleyball players are knees and ankles. So when you have stronger legs, you're less prone to having those injuries. Also, leg strength correlates with speed, agility, all that good stuff. So let's do it. Also, I will note, if you do like working out at home, I would invest in some dumbbells. I'm sure you can get some off of Amazon. I'll leave some linked in my description if you want to go check those out. So for legs, we're going to do 3 to 4 sets and we're going to do as many reps as possible. So first, we're starting out with some body weight squats. These are great for developing your quads. It works on your hamstrings and your glute strength as well. Also, it's good for ankle mobility and trying to be more flexible. So now we're doing some lunges. These are great for your quads and your glute strength, along with your hamstrings, of course. And when I was playing volleyball, I noticed that this really helped increase my vertical jump. So these are great. Now we're gonna do some side lunges. These are great for working your IT band and even your inner thigh as well. These are also great for balance. This is what I used it for when I was playing volleyball, to maintain my balance, work on my ankle mobility and my stability within my core as well. Now we're going to switch sides and go to our left. And a great way to make this a volleyball-minded exercise is to hold out your arms and make your platform and hold it. That's a great way to practice kind of imagining the ball and passing it. Next, we're doing some elevated squats. These are great for all kind of athletes, but especially volleyball players, because this makes you explosive. It helps you get off the ground super quick. It makes your twitch muscles super fast. So I love these squats so much. So I used a stack of copy paper to elevate my feet, but you can use anything that you can find in your house. Now we're doing these crab walks. I remember having to do these at volleyball practice and they were miserable, but they build your muscles so well. Also, they keep you in a low athletic stance, which is what you should be in at all times on the court. So it's honestly the perfect storm. Also, if you have any bands laying around, you can put these around your knees. And this is a great way to work on your IT band, strengthening your outer hips, because this is also great for working your knees. Because guys, once again, volleyball players get injured a lot, and this was something I did in physical therapy to strengthen my knees and my outer hips to make sure that I was absorbing all the impact I was taking when I was landing over and over again from hitting. Now we're gonna do a wall sit for 45 seconds. If you can't hold it for 45 seconds, try to do 15 seconds and then try to build on it. And if you can do more than 45 seconds, and if you can do a minute and a half, 2 minutes, go for it. Wall sits are great, once again, for overall leg strength, especially your quads, your hamstrings. So honestly, it's just a great workout for volleyball players to do. And also it's so easy because you just need a wall. You can do that pretty much anywhere. So it's really important to have a strong upper body when you're a volleyball player because once again, injury is so prevalent with volleyball players in their shoulders. So it's nice to have nice strong arms and shoulders to prevent that. Also in theory, the stronger your arms are, the harder you can serve the ball, hit the ball, etc. Also when you're passing, it's nice to have nice strong forearms because you want to have the ball come to a nice strong platform instead of one that's like kind of like, you know. So we're gonna start with doing some arm circles. We're gonna go forwards and backwards. And for arms, we are doing 3 to 4 sets once again, and then as many reps as possible. And I feel like since you're doing no weight, it should be a higher amount of reps, but that is up to you whether you can do it or not. Only you know your body. These arm circles are great for strengthening up your shoulders and all those little tendons around your shoulders because those are very fragile, especially when you're a hitter. Now we're gonna do some Y raises. I like to imagine that I'm holding like a 5-pound, 2.5-pound plate and just doing a Y like I'm a cheerleader. These are great for your shoulder strength. I did these pretty much every other day when I was training in college. It was amazing. Okay, so now we're gonna do some bicep curls. I found my husband's water bottle that's pretty heavy, so I just used that to do some curls. You need arm strength all over, not just your triceps, your biceps, your shoulders. You need it all over. So bicep curls are a great way to achieve that, and it's a really simple motion, and it's really easy to keep it nice and strict so you feel the most burn. Now for our chest movement, we're just gonna do some chest flies. And then for triceps, we're gonna do some tricep dips on the couch. Now it's time for abs. Core strength is so important in volleyball players because that's how you generate your power, whether it be serving, hitting, stability when you're passing, being able to set the ball across the court. It all comes back to how strong your core is, so this is very important. So first we're gonna start with some sit-ups, and we're using the ball to kind of keep our hands disciplined, and we're keeping them from pulling yourself up because, you know, I am guilty of that sometimes. So you want to keep your hands nice and above your head with the ball. If you don't have one, just keep them behind your head. Now we're gonna do some Russian twist, and I just do it with the ball, kind of to emulate like a medicine ball, if you will. So these are kind of fun, in my opinion. They might burn a little bit, but they are fun. Next, we're gonna do some crunches with our legs elevated. This is also just another fun way to do crunches because it kind of gets boring just doing regular crunches, so I wanted to, you know, switch it up a little bit. And then after that, I did some leg lifts, but if those are too hard, I modified it to like these little leg scrunch thingies. I don't know what to call them. Like they're like a modified V-up almost, but these are great for your abs. And if you can't do them, you can always just do more sit-ups if you want. And next we're gonna do some bicycles, whatever you wanna call them, bicycle crunches, whatever. These are great for your side abs / obliques, highly suggest. Oh my God, it's over, thank God. I'm actually sweating, wow. All right guys, that is it for today's workout. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you let me know in the comments or like this video, and make sure that you're subscribed. Please subscribe. Also, if you have any video requests, questions, comments, whatever it is, leave it in the comments because I try to respond to everybody. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.